Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix "We've sent the code on Telegram app on another device" error. Alright, let's begin. If you're getting the message that Telegram has sent the login code to another device, it usually means you're already logged into Telegram on a different phone, tablet, or desktop app. Here's how you can fix it. First, uninstall the Telegram app from your current device. Once it's uninstalled, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and reinstall the Telegram app. After the app is reinstalled, open Telegram, enter your phone number, and wait for the app to try to send the code. If it still says the code is sent to another device, look at that other device to find the login code. If you no longer have access to it, tap the option "Didn't receive the code" and choose to get the code via SMS or call. Once you enter the correct code, you'll be logged into your account. So that's basically how you can fix the "We've sent the code on Telegram app on another device" error. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.